We are Girl Power Talk.
In a world where Gen Z is the mastermind behind peak innovative expansions, we welcome you to the realm of entrepreneurship. Girl Power Talk is a place where visionaries turn ideas into reality. And we believe that young entrepreneurial ventures are the sprouted buds for a radiant future.
Come challenge the status quo and dare to dream bigger than before.
For 5%. Are you in? Yes.
Oh man, I wish you and I had more startups someday. I have a very innovative idea which can bring social impact.
So why didn't you try having one?
Well, I know startups require a large amount of funding, which I don't have.
Okay, makes sense. I did have my own startup which had some initial investment about say 5 years ago. However, I needed to back it up with some additional funding, which I did not have at that time. But enough of me now. Tell me, what exactly is your startup all about?
Just an undefined idea.
Okay, what is it then? That is exactly what we need.
Hold up, what are you talking about?
What I mean is that Girl Power Talk has introduced an entrepreneurial opportunity and they have come up with a startup challenge.
A startup challenge? That's something unique I heard just today.
Yes, to be exact, it is a startup challenge. It has a total budget of 60 lakhs. And upon successful evaluation and consideration, you may be able to receive a portion out of total funding.
Oh my god, tell me how I can be eligible.
One must provide a comprehensive business plan, including financial projections and a clear outline of your goals.
That is an idea for this.
Then, what are you waiting for?
Create your Girl Power X profile for free and get started on this journey. The next step for you would be to apply for the startup challenge using your Girl Power X profile and get access to our special community where you can share ideas, learn skills, find customers, and build long-lasting friendships.
Don't you worry, the link is in description for our dear viewers. We highly recommend startups who have diverse leadership teams. Preference will be given to startups with at least one woman founder or
co-founder who plays a significant role in their operations and decision-making process.
Would you like to be a co-founder of this business idea?
I thought you would never ask. I would love to. I already have so many ideas up my sleeve.
There are many angel investors and venture capitalists who fund such startups. So why is this one any special?
Okay, hear me out.
Access to funding. Even early stage entrepreneurs receive funding. For instance, funding during pre-startup or the seed stage. This is the very beginning of your startup process, inclusive of the process of defining your idea, conducting market research, and seeking initial funding.
The next is the early stage startup. Your startup is beyond the mere concept. It have entered the initial phases of operation. This includes having a defined business model, beginning to develop your product or service, or possibly having a small team. Second, mentorship and guidance.
I get what you mean by funding, but what do you mean by mentorship and guidance?
it means you will receive help from the experienced industry experts, qualified investors, global mentors, and like-minded peers, such as how to tackle challenges in business, what steps to take, and how to take them, and
networking opportunities, social impact.
You got me hooked on this. What do you mean by social impact here?
The Startup Challenge thrives on committing to social impact, that it can be as easy as deciding to donate a portion of your profits to a cause you care about, like healthcare, education, sustainability, fighting poverty, or promoting gender equality.
This challenge is super innovative and unique. I can't wait to join the startup community.
we are calling entrepreneurs from diverse backgrounds to showcase their resilience, creativity, and brilliance. Are you ready to leave your mark on the world? Join the Girl Power Talk Startup Challenge now and let the journey to success begin.